Anyone say hi from Bali? So, Molly, she is the staff of this company. She will help you to explain about the coffee and until to the processing.
Okay.
Yeah. Her name is
Susie.
Miss Susie. Beautiful. Yeah.
Beck,
So nice to meet you guys.
Enzo, Zadie,
Zadie.
Levi, Judah.
Judah.
Meet you guys. Where are you from?
Australia.
Okay, so welcome to the coffee plantation. So we be local guided here. So my name is Susianti. You can call me Susie, yeah? And I will explain about the coffee. Start from here. So we have two different coffees. So we have Arabica and Robusta coffee, yeah? So this is the Robusta coffee. Robusta is the bigger tree, the bigger leaf, the bean is more small. Robusta, the taste is strong and bitter. And Arabica, light and little bit sour. This is Arabica coffee. So Arabica, the small tree, small leaf, the bean is more bigger than Robusta, yeah?
Like
For the
me.
bean,
Small but big bean.
so
Oh my
Arabica is
TMI. Too much information.
Anton love problem.
If already the season, the vanilla they become power from here. The successful pollination become the vanilla. Now we use for making coffee, so we have vanilla coffee. Okay, and then we grow also the curcuma. So curcuma is from the root, and then we use for making tea. So curcuma is good for immune system. Curcuma is the yellow color, similar like turmeric. But curcuma is more bigger than turmeric. It's good for immune system. If you like the cacao, this is the cacao fruit.
Oh
The cacao is for making chocolate. So the fruit we waiting until they become yellow. This is already we harvest. So inside have a lot the bean, and then the bean we use for making cacao powder and the chocolate. And then we grow also the ginseng. This is the ginseng from the root, yeah. So we use for making coffee. So the ginseng is in memory for making power.
And Tara doesn't need that.
I need that.
No, you don't need it.
Because I forgot to pick up sambal from the airport a couple days ago, yeah. I need that later.
You need that at 4 o'clock
Yes.
in the morning when they make you climb the mountains for sunrise.
And this is we have the ginger. So the ginger is from the root and then we use for making tea. The ginger is good for the stomach rather than sour. And also we have the mangosteen. The local fruit. This is the scrapple. So inside is white color. So we didn't take it the fruit. We take it the skin fruit for make for anti-cancer and control the cholesterol. So in here the best in here. The tea is very good.
Okay.
The delicious.
Yeah. Had mangosteen juice.
B. Tidak. B. Finish.
We have the honey. For making honey from the black bees.
Honey.
This is the bees. They don't bite and they don't sting. This is friendly bees. So don't worry. For the taste, the honey is sweet and sour. The honey from the black bees is more healthy. This is good for antioxidant.
Like the bees.
Yeah, black bees.
They're so small.
Very, very small. Like the mosquito.
Yeah.
Similar mosquito, yes. So this is we have the animal. This is the animal in Bali we call luwak. So this is on day and active in the night. The animal only they eat the sweet fruit like the banana, papaya, and the coffee. For the coffee, they choose from the tree only the good quality coffee and the red cherry because the nut is very big. They eat the coffee, and then the sauce on the stomach, and then the food. So the food we make it the coffee. So don't worry, because very clean. So we clean until 3 times.
And they've already picked the best coffee beans because they're so fussy.
And then the animal not live in here. The animal is live in the mountain. We live for this way. We change everyone, and then we get new. And this is
I think
because the animal is wild animal.
Yeah, yeah, so we don't keep it in a crate.
depends if the luwak rich, they will stay in the hotel, of course. Not in the forest.
You can walk around here now.
Okay, so this is coming from animal, yes? This is coffee from the tree. It is different size and different aroma and different color. This is coffee from the tree. It's regular coffee. They call Bali coffee. This is Arabic. And this is coffee from the animal. This comes not like the food.
From the luwak of
First time we
bisa
got
dibuat clean
the
di luwak.
and then we wash by hot water.
Is that after clean? Oh, this is after cleaning.
Of the bacteria and then we wash by hot water. So we dry on the sun and then we open the skin. So we open the skin. That's like the food. Like the animal.
Sampel food until here. Animal that eat coffee
We
beans,
wash
sampel
by the hot
food.
water and then we dry on the sun. And this one already be roasted. So roasting in India is still manual. Because nobody is local.
Cinnamon, turmeric, ginger, and galangal. What is it? Galangal. Now it is coming.
And then we have also some spices here. We have like pepper, black pepper. And this is the traditional process for making coffee. Yeah? So the traditional process for making coffee is this. So once you are up coffee, we roast it for 2 minutes until 1 hour. Until they become the coffee. And the aroma is smell coffee. This is Bali coffee. But the process for making luwak coffee is
Same process.
once we grind it here, we grind it for making the powder.
Ah, good.
You're not the only one that's good at
After the grind it, and then we put it in here for making the right. Sorry. Okay, that's good. And this is the rest we put here again, and then we crush.
Keep going until it's I'm tired.
After grind it, the aroma is more strong.
Oh yeah. Yeah, smell that, Daddy. That'll wake you up.
So this for information here. Thank you for attention. So now go to the table. I will prepare something. Okay, go to the table.
Just tired.
It's okay.
Oh, yes.
From the hotel.
Yeah, that's no problem.
Yeah, 10-15 minutes.
We have also some chocolate. Tapi kasi So I put one by one. Start from the tea. Yeah? This is a rasala tea from the flower. It's blood circulation. This is we have a ginger tea, little bit spices. One sama powder and sour. And this is we have a red rice tea. Red rice tea is good for bone. Because this one more calcium. For calcium. This is a lemongrass tea. It's good for detox and refresh your body. And this is we have mangosteen tea, good for anti-cancer, control the cholesterol. And this is we have a saffron. Saffron is mixed curcumin, good for immune system. And then avocado coffee, good for antioxidant. This is a Bali coffee without sugar, good for migraine and headache. Hot chocolate, special for you. Happiness, everything, yes.
For mood. Good mood.
This is a vanilla, good for relaxation. Vanilla coffee. This is a mocha. Mocha is Bali coffee mixed chocolate. This is a good for your skin and hair treatment. And the last one, ginseng. For stamina and aging. So now you can try start from the tea. Yes?
Alright. You start, Jan.
You can try start from the tea. Later, if you like it, you can buy the product at the store. Yes?
Lovely.
For the special coffee from the animal, if you want to try, 1 cup is 55,000.
Yeah.
Maybe you try for sharing. Maybe. You want to try how many cups?
Yeah, we'll get one.
And then you want to try? 1 cup only.
We'll try one to share.
And
Yeah.
then you want to try?
Do you want to try the coffee shooter?
You want to try the coffee?
Cat coffee?
No.
Try one? No?
You want?
Very sweet.
Yeah, so sweet.
One for Antora maybe?
It's okay. No. I have my own.
Oh, you got
This is
one
special
already.
for handsome driver.
For his drivers only. Okay.
You order 1 cup only, yes?
Yeah.
Where's Ella? Oh, makes sense.
Oh, that
We
one.
have 2 different coffee, yeah? For the luwak coffee, we have Arabica, we have a Robusta. Arabica light and little bit sour. Robusta strong and bitter. Which one you want?
Oh, it's for the with the light?
Yeah.
Of both. It's
You want to try Arabica one, Robusta one?
Yeah. Yeah, get the combo. That's very similar.
Oh, yeah, we'll get to
Yeah.
it.
Yeah. I will prepare one for you and I'm a tester. So after you try, you put them on the picture for to easy remember. Yeah. Which one you like it? We all we sell.
Okay, alright, will do. Thank you.